Hai Nikolaj.
Here, I love her, girl. I love
You
you.
love her.
Yeah, she is nice.
I love you. I
Lisa,
love you.
I love you, Lisa. My heart. Follow me on Instagram, Lisa.
Who like Lisa? She's not Lisa. She's Emma.
Emma. Woohoo! I love you, Emma, my sweetie. Emma is my teddy bear. Emma, teddy bear.
Emma.
Oh, Emma just broken my heart now. She's broken my heart. Emma, I love you. I love you.
You have.
I'm so totally don't care. I don't love you.
I love you, Emma. I love you so much. Follow me on Instagram, Emma.
No, I'm not gonna follow you on Instagram.
Follow me, my love.
I only follow people who is pretty.
I'm sweet girl. I'm sweet man. Listen, lick me,
Yes.
lick me.
You are sweet, but you are not pretty.
Give me your number phone. Give me your number phone to call you, Emma.
No.
Okay, it's 666. Your asshole is not mine.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't love you.
So now you don't love her.
Listen me. I am
Never clean a big practice.
God.
Ja, der Brote meinst du?
Yes, my love. Wow. How are you?
Odlično, a ti?
And I am odličan. I'm cool.
Reći srpski, molim te.
Yes, I am gamer. I am Omegle streamer. Best Omegle streamer in the world. Yeah. I have the best Omegle content in the world, my friend.
You have a channel. You have a channel.
Yes, I have channel, my friend. Yes, I have
Yeah,
channel.
Just you can type it here, and I will subscribe you, and I will.
Oh, my friend, thank you. Woohoo! I have one more subscriber. You are my friend. You are my brother. You are my brother.
Just one subscriber.
Yes, yes, you are my brother.
Yeah.
My
okay,
brother subscribe. Woo! I love you, love. Okay, Zash, hello, how are you, grandma? I don't understand. How are you? I love you.
Good.
You are good. You are so nice, girl.
No speaking.
I speak English. Do you love me? Ah! To si mi skipala, bre. I love you. I love you. Baby, I love you so much. Yeah. How much? Koliko me voliš? Dođite prvo mi jedno. Come to kiss you. Why? I love you. No. Fuck you, bre. Fuck you. Muš. To si mi skipala jedno.
Zašto? Da sam bio dobar.
Ne ti. Buđi.
Me estoy llamando gorda.
What? Buđi.
I'm fat. I know I'm fat.
No, I don't. You don't fat. You are cool.
Damn, you ain't dead.
No, you are so cool. It's okay.
What does that mean then? Yeah.
That means you are so cool, girl, and it's okay. You don't
I'm
fat.
searching it
You are
up.
so cool.
I'm searching it up right now.
I don't understand what you talking about me.
The
Buđi, to sam rekao da.
You say booty booty.
Can I see your friends?
What about my friend?
This girl left. Girl, come here to see you.
She's with her boyfriend.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I love him. I love you, girl. My heart for you.
Her boyfriend's gonna bitch you up.
It doesn't matter. Boyfriend, this doesn't matter. I'm her boyfriend. I'm your new boyfriend. Girl.
No, you're booty.
I'm your new boyfriend. What?
No.
I have big dick. 27 cm.
How do you say bye in your language?
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.
No!
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao. What are you doing?
We are dancing.
We're dancing. Okay, let's go. Dance. You're so crazy. What the fuck? Goodbye. Yeah. Bye, my friend. No. Nah! Fuck! Mongrel! Woo! Druže! Hello! How are you, my friend?
I am good. How about you?
Let's go. Put your hands up. Let's go. Woo! Martin Garrix. Do you know who is Martin Garrix?
Huh?
Martin Garrix, bre. Listen. Ipče. Wait.
Okay.
Ipče. Wait, my friend. Wait. Listen that.
Alright.
Woo! Noge! Ja sam ih varao! Woo! Srbija! Muči! Ja više nemam nijednog keca, valjda tako ide pesma da ga jebem, brate. Do you listen that, my friend? Do you listen that? Best Omegle streamer in the world. If one word, that word, I am the best Omegle streamer, my friend. I am. You know? Best Omegle, and I am number one.
You are the. Do you have a channel? You look like you're.
Yes, my friend, I have channel. Number one.
Where's
I
my?
am.
Let me find my phone, and we will find it. Okay.
You. I love you. Why? Fuck. Yes, I am gamer. I am Omegle streamer. Best Omegle streamer in the world. Yeah. I have the best Omegle content in the world, my friend.
You have a channel.
Yes, I have channel, my friend. Yes, I have channel.
Just you can type it here, and I will subscribe you, and I will.
Oh, my friend, thank you. Woohoo! I have one more subscriber. You are my friend. You are my brother. You are my brother.
Just one subscriber.
Yes, you are my brother.
Yeah.
My brother subscribe. Woo! I love you. Okay, yeah. Hello, how are you, grandma? I don't understand. How are you? I love you.
Good.
You're good. You're so nice, girl.
No speaking.
I speak English. Do you love me? To si me skipala, bre.